Welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I've done a video, or consistent videos anyways. Today I'm doing a cool video on the NRC projects, the 124 scale RC10. And I've been talking and thinking about this project for a long time since he started. And today I got one, and I'm going to do an open boxing. So this is the NRC 24. So this is the 24 scale, like championship edition RC10 scaled down. A lot of 3D printed parts, carbon fiber chassis, aluminum shock bodies. Beautiful. Love it. I can't wait to get it built. Man, is it going to be small though, but it's scaled. So I've got championship. I got other RC10s. I got a bunch. Anyways, I'm just going to do an open box of this and show what comes with it. There's no electronics in this kit. I have to buy that separate. And for under 200, you can have all your electronics. Pretty close to that anyways, around there, 220. So, and then you use a censored motor too. So use a censored brushless motor and a nice micro metal gear servo. So here it goes. Just going to open it up. Not going to lie, I opened it up already a little bit just to make sure everything's intact. So right when you open it, you're going to get this little card here. This is the thank you card, and tells you go download the manual on the website, which I have it up over there. I'm not going to start this project tonight, but I just want to do the open box. So let's go ahead and just throw everything out. So right on the first bag, we got bag number 1. Look at that. Look how you can't really tell. Look at my thumb. There's the motor guard and the motor plate. Take it out and show you. I didn't want to make this too long of a video, but I'm pretty excited about this build, man. This is the ultimate indoor tabletop race car right here. Look at the motor plate, guys. It's tiny. I don't have one handy from a regular RC10, but I mean, let me pause. Let me go grab one. All right, so I went and grabbed one of my restos, one of my runners here. Look at the motor plate. Look at the size. See it from the side here. Yep, that's it. That's the motor plate. And it's got the skid plate back there too, the guard. And then the transfer case. I'm not going to take everything out. I just want to pull that one out. So that's in bag 1, parts bag. All your gears for the diff, the slip. That's that. So I'll go ahead and put that there. I'm just going to try to get them in order here. So here's number 2. Got your bulkhead, diff support plate, and your battery tray. And all your hardware. That's bag 2. Bag 3. Arms. Man, they are so small. Front arms, back arms. See, it's got the newer arms. See, you got your bulkhead parts. I'm sorry, your arm mounts and all that. Your everything for the steering and the knuckles. Yeah, the knuckles, the steering, and the arm mounts. Bag 3. Is there a bag 4? Well, there's no bag 4. There's bag 4. Bag 4 is all the way on the bottom. Bag 4 is the chassis, and look like take it out here. Shock tower, and here's the chassis. Check that out. It's like the Associated logo, but it says 24. Pretty creative, huh? Really good quality carbon fiber. It's like old. It's like an older style weaved carbon fiber. It's kind of interesting. But there's the full chassis in my hand. Stick that right there. Let me move the camera back a little bit here. This bag, you got your shock towers. It's the front tower and the back tower. It's so small. Focus that. See if I can focus that. There we go. Guys, that's so small. And then the rear one. Just scaled down. It's looks like it's 16ths. It's close to, I don't know, it's in millimeter, but it looks close to 16.063 or something. I don't know. I'd have to mic it. And then that bag also, you have the hardware. And that same bag, number 4, parts bag. And then your, so here's your tie ends, your tie rod ends. Pretty cool. Nice. I mean, I've seen this project, I followed, so I already know like how it's set up. All right, so that's bag 4. Oh yeah, well there was also the front skid plate here. It's carbon fiber, so I'm not going to take that out. Bag 5 is looks like wheels assemblies, aluminum shock bodies. I'm not going to take them out, but you can see the aluminum shock bodies. And springs and all your hardware for the wheels, and the slip, the differential cover here. And that's so cool. So small. There's a bag, it's called spares. Last but not least, no number, but this is the body. See if you can kind of, well, I'll take it out, screw it. So the body's uncut, unpainted, obviously. There's a cool sticker in there. There's a wing. I'm not going to take the wing out. There's the body. Pretty neat, huh? So, can't wait to build it. I'm going to have somebody that knows how to paint it. I'm not going to paint it. And then the wheels, there was no number. It was just, the bag was just in there. And the real soft rubber, they're nice, like real spiky. I always imagine them being like harder plastic. I know they're going to be rubber, but I always imagine them not being as spongy, because that's what they are. They're like regular tires, you know. So that's cool. So there's the tires. So that's it, guys. Focus that back down. So that's the NRC-24 and the parts bags. I am so excited to build this thing, guys. So I'll probably do a small series on it. I don't think I'll do too many videos, but it's going to take a while building this, because you got to do a lot of fine tuning on drilling out holes and getting some small tools. I got some tools, but I don't have real small. So, but that's it. NRC-24. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribing, and all that stuff. Thanks. Bye.